Hi you guys, I am back with another video. This is video number 27, and yes, we are closing in and coming into a closure of these videos. Oh my god, I want to say thank God, but I'm just happy I'm getting to the end and I stuck to it and didn't say, you know what, the heck with this. However, this is just a quick video of me doing a full weave-in with a closure. This closure is one of the from previous video that I did. I'm trying to think of the video it was. I think it was video number 13. And it was Laki Hair. It's a Laki Hair review. And that is this closure. This is a 13 by 4. It's already been bleached, and she didn't want it like plucked a lot, so I just plucked it very little, because the last closure that she did receive from Laki, she said after was, you know, bleached and plucked, she said it thinned out a lot. So I did not pluck this one a lot, and I did not leave the bleach on that long, and we kind of put a little bit of makeup on there. But as you notice, I did not use the melting method where she has a stocking cap on, because she felt like, you know, it was going to be irritating and hot. And you still get a really nice look without the stocking cap. You just have to pretty much know what you're doing. So I've already attached it. I used my favorite Ghost Bond. There's a lot of other glues that I use, but for this particular client, she likes the Ghost Bond, so that is what we used. I put 3 coats on, let each one dry clear, and then I attach the frontal. I sewed the frontal down the back, and now as you can see, I am adding my tracks in the back of her hair. This process took me a little while, because when I tell you guys, I probably did 12 or 13 videos in this particular day. If you notice, the people in the background from this video or the people in the background from other videos, and that's because I had like a line of people waiting to get their hair done. So I figured, you know what, let me make videos. So by the time I was done this day, I was exhausted, okay? So yeah, just bear with me, because I've just been, your girl's been trying to do the daggone thing. So pretty much I'm putting these tracks in the back of the young lady's hair, and then afterwards I will put some mousse around the edges, tie it down, do a little bit of baby hair, a little bit of curling, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I like to attach my tracks slightly to the closure, to the frontal. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. It all depends on whether or not I feel like I'm going to have to remove the frontal to do a tighten up or something like that. But in this case, she's not going to leave it on that long, so I knew I wouldn't have to remove the frontal. So I went on ahead and attached the tracks from the back on the frontal. So sit back, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be back to give you your word or your letter or your number shortly. Okay, so I hope you guys liked the video. Please keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. More videos to come. And the letter for this video is S. S as in smooth. S. So, yeah, thanks again. Post your comments down below if there's anything you want to tell me. And like I said, keep watching. More videos to come. Bye.